Ulnar nerve. It runs from your neck, travels behind your elbow, your funny bone, into your ring and pinky finger. It is often involved in elbow pain or tingling in these two fingers. Raise your arms up, palm facing and touching each other. Make sure your forearms are parallel to the ground. Bend your head away from the target side and push your arms toward the target side. Keep this position throughout the movement. Next, point your hands to the front and bring it back. To the front and bring it back. Do this movement 10 to 15 repetitions, 2 to 3 sets. Let's add some arm movement. Raise your arm, palm facing and touching each other. Bend your head and make sure keep your head bent away from the target side throughout the movement. Next, push your arm toward the target side and bring it back to the center. Toward the target side, bring it back to the center. Do this movement 10 to 15 repetitions, 2 to 3 sets each side. Try this movement daily for a few minutes and see how your arm and hands feel. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, share with your friends, and subscribe for more rehab videos. Thank you.